Okay, so today we are working on an 8x8 wood panel, and my medium of choice is acrylics, so we are using that. And what I'm doing so far is I'm just outlining the under sketch of this painting. This is a lotus flower in a lily pad pond. And the reason why I made this painting is really simply because I wanted to do a series of different flowers and really just broaden my range for my paintings. You see, I typically do landscapes and abstract expressionist artwork. And what I mean by that is basically figurative paintings with abstracted emotions behind them, to express the emotions I'm trying to convey in the painting through lines and colors and everything. And I'm actually getting rid of this lotus flower right now as we speak, or lotus flower, this lily pad as we speak. It was too crowding in this painting. So we're skipping ahead quite a bit, and where we already have our green down for our lily pads, and we're working with a pink underpaint for the actual flower. And we're just filling in every little bit of this phthalo blue outline. And now we're working on the underline.
You guys are probably wondering why the background changed while I was working, and that's simply because I just got this brand new standing desk, and it is awesome. Honestly, it adjusts by itself. It's completely automated, and I love it so much. It's gonna make videos look more clean.
So I figured I'd just show you guys that because the change of scenery in the painting is actually so much different now. Macbid.com, it's like the best thing ever. It's a online auction website. This isn't sponsored, of course. I mean, I have like less than 3,000 subscribers, which if you guys haven't already, click that like button and subscribe. So let's get back to it. So I'm just continuing doing the underlines of this painting and really trying to flesh out how I'm going to do the lighting of these lily pads. And this was actually my favorite part of the process because I didn't expect the lily pads to come out as great as they did. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding little highlight features to flesh out exactly where I'm going to put the highlights, and then I'm just going back on them and filling in the colors, redefining the highlights, and now I'm doing the lowlights with I forget what green it is, but it's very blue in tone, almost like the phthalo blue. Maybe it's phthalo green. I don't know. I'm not going to look. But yeah, so I'm just filling these all out. And look at how much better that looks. I'm just cleaning up all the edges and everything. So what I really want to do with this series is I want to make a 4-piece wood panel series on probably the most popular flowers that there is. So I've already made one of sunflowers. This is the lotus. The next one is lilies, and the fourth, I'm not gonna lie, I actually forget what it is. So we're gonna figure that one out at the end. But yeah, I also want to frame them in some really nice floater frames and have them all on display for whatever I do vending events. whenever that is during the summer. You see, right now I'm in the off season pretty much of vending, and we're just stocking up on our original paintings, our prints, our stickers, and t-shirts, whatnot, all of that stuff. And if you guys want to see any of those or check them out, just go to my website. It is torchesart.com, TOURCHEZ.com. And what I'm doing now is I'm just dramatizing the highlights of this painting on the lotus flower itself, and then I'm redefining those highlights with this nice maroon type of underpainting. It's honestly just like an outline. And this was probably the defining feature of this painting, is using the vermilion as a nice little reflective light. And of course, it looks very sloppy right now, but I tend to clean things up. And here I am using, this is honestly my favorite color. It's cerulean blue. And we're just doing a nice complement to the Dilo, and I believe this was primary blue or bright blue. And yeah, just creating some more depth in these waves. If you guys didn't know, it was waves or ripples. One of my go-to philosophies in life is that our life is but a ripple effect of ever change in the world. And that every little thing that we do has an impact that ripples out to others and eventually makes it almost like our lives are extended. You know what I mean? That how we affect others has long-term effects on not just them, but the people that they know, and how we connect with each other.
And that was it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. This painting was very fun to make. And if you enjoyed it, please click that like button and subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. The reason why I made this channel is to document my artistic journey and be able to become a full-time artist, really. And I just have this passion for art and everything. If you are interested in any of my work, you can look at my website, torchesart.com. That is TOURCHEZ art.com. And yeah, have a good one.